Hey, side hustlers, are you ready to unlock your earning potential? If you've been searching for the perfect side hustle, digital marketing might just be your golden ticket. Why? Because digital marketing is booming. Experts predict that the digital marketing industry will grow by 10% every year for the next decade. Imagine hopping on a train that's speeding towards a bright, lucrative future. Now let's talk numbers. Top digital marketers can earn up to $150,000 a year. That's right, 6 figures working from the comfort of your home. And guess what? You don't need to be a tech wizard to get started. Our free digital marketing course is designed for beginners. It's packed with hundreds of hours of online training, Zoom tech support and coaching and mentoring, but that's not all. You get to choose up to 4 digital products to plug into our training. This means you'll get real-time, real-world experience and the chance to earn while you learn. By the time you're done, you'll have a complete business up and running. And here's the best part, you only pay for the digital products, starting at just $100, no monthly fees. So are you ready to transform your free time into a thriving business? Drop "I'm ready" in the comments or send me a message for more details. Let's unlock your earning potential together. See you on the inside.